In yet another incident of gun attack, unidentified miscreants fired few rounds of bullet at the residence of Naharolgi Thoudang editor Koirom Loya'S at Imphal East District's Kontha Khabamayai Leika near Laiharaupam. The incident occurred in the wee hours at around 12:20 a.m. today. Even though there are no reports of any injuries, 6 bullet holes were spotted at the gate following the incident. Editor Loya'S was not at home when the incident happened at his residence. A team of Hangang police inspected the site today and recovered 6 empty bullet cartridges. A case has been registered for further investigation. Meanwhile, editor Koirom Loya'S maintained that a news report was published in Naharolgi Thoudang newspaper last month, and on the same day, the security escort that was allotted to him was removed, and on the same night, he was tailed by an unknown vehicle on his way back home from the newspaper office. Koirom Loya'S has been staying at Naharolgi Thoudang office in Kaishampan, but for the past 4-5 days, he has started staying at his residence at Kontha Khabam. Koirom Loya'S urged anyone who has got personal issue to inform him upfront, while also expressing his resolute stand to not compromise his journalistic ethics.
Nongalam dai pung tarani thuiga minute kun ahing nong yai chap chana hai tare adoi da ai get sida masakhang da mi khara la kan da with sophisticated weapons kapa jane na amni na yungi angang ri tare da ade imong fina ingon da phone tore sorang na baro makhai adoi taramane nongmayam kape akhoi get ta male ado sum khudong thiba nangani kari gi wajano wakhan je khalaganda I cannot assume the land kitri. King of Kanam Siliti. Kadijino, I wanted my Todisian. How white I get your ganda, get your formatum that it gets and Madunga Aramia. Manipur, freedom of expression. I see Mapung Pana Pangdaban. Mamang taking home. Hogi Pomi Mayamam Shiki by Yokre. Journalism is the tiny Bagi Tabak recently at Lai Haitare. Aduna. As a freedom of right, freedom of expression, Pangana Buhona, but the journalist Atukimatic waje. Singna Bazikari, I don't know, I Nasibom the Kanam, Taga a confrontation to volate. I give professional lines that any me could I give Marumantani, Ako the Yakna Batamte, Ako the Fadaba Paw for Kanda, Laibaki, Kanagadaba, Miami, Kanagadaba, Adubba Mayamdu, Torokanda, Lejaba, Group Bomani.